give a quick synopsis of how to utilize the search feature on straightfromthebuilder.com. There are actually three ways you can start a search. When you first come to the website, you see this beautiful layout here. You can start by putting in the uh, address, zip code, city. Like, for example, if it's in Spring, you could type that in, and you'll see all these different options of new construction homes on roads that end with Spring, the city of Spring, branch subdivisions that have the word Spring in it. Tons of ways you can start your search. You can also start your search by going to the properties map and clicking the Start Property Search, utilizing a map feature. And then also you can start your search by, if you know the neighborhood you want to be in, searching via that neighborhood and seeing all the new construction homes that are going on in that neighborhood. Well, let's do a little test. I'm going to take that out. And we're going to look for a home in, let's say, Conroe. So there's a lot of stuff going on in Conroe. Let's say you spoke to your lender and they got you approved for anything $400,000 or less. That's the payment you felt comfortable in. So you're $400,000 or less. You want a 4-bedroom home with 3 bathrooms. That's full bathrooms there. And what did we say? Conroe? C-O-N. City of Conroe. So we're going to click that. And here it goes. All right, so we got our little search criteria here. Like on the map, it shows a maximum, I believe, 18 homes, but actually there are 104 homes that are brand new construction in Conroe. So you can kind of narrow it down to the area. So say, for example, you don't want to be this far away from Houston. You want to be closer to the Woodlands. So you can zoom in, utilizing your map, zooming in. 242 is very popular. Tons of new construction going on there. And let's say 242 is kind of your cutoff, all right? So what you can do is utilize this little widget. You can say, okay, I want here all the way to here. Oh, we should zoom out a little more. And we'll go for May Hall. Let's say we'll do all that. And that's not, this is Highway 99. So you're okay with 242 in this area, 99 new construction, all right? Okay, so now it's narrowed down and you can see what they have available in that area. You can scroll to the bottom and see now it's narrowed down to 81 results. But here you can look at the different results. If you don't like that, let's say, for example, you want some different square footage, maximum square footage. Let's say you want at least 3,000 square feet. So that'll narrow it down a little bit more. You can utilize the search options by price feature. And by clicking that, it'll show you the most expensive home down to the least expensive home. You can narrow it down by if you want the square footage of the house or the lot size, the amount of pictures, days on the market, or different features. I like this. Let's try square footage because everyone likes a little land. Well, maybe not everybody, but most people do. So this is a beautiful one. So that's kind of how you do it. Now, even if you were to start from property search, it looks exactly like this, where it goes into that. Now let's look at neighborhoods. Let's say you want to start your search via a neighborhood. So we click neighborhoods, and let's say, for example, you want to be in Woodson Reserves. So we're going to click Woodson Reserves. From there, you saw there were 19 properties available. And you can scroll down here and just search via Woodson Reserves. You can see the amount of, you still want 4 bedrooms. So let's say, hey, we're still looking for 4 bedrooms. Let's narrow it down. And we want 3 full baths in Woodson Reserves. And we still don't want to go over our beautiful price point of $400,000. So let's see what's in that neighborhood that fits that criteria. And let's say you want a maximum square footage. What did we say? We want at least 3,000 square feet. Oh, did we say minimum? Oh, okay. Minimum square footage, 3,000. So that right there, we're going to leave that bad link. Keep searching, buddy. So only one fits our criteria, which is awesome. So we'll go to it. And that is simply how you use our search feature. Again, you can start from the home menu of there. You can go from property, start property, search the map. check it out from there. And from there, you can utilize the widgets at the top and find the area you want to be in. Like say, for example, if you want to be in Kingwood and you know that that's the Kingwood line, you would just zoom all in there. Say if you want to be in a specific neighborhood, you would just zoom. There's a neighborhood back here, brand new community, and it's in Kingwood. You just make your little lines from here to there. And you say, I want to be in that neighborhood. And it'll narrow it down. Scroll down and narrow it down a little bit more to what you want. And let us know. If you have any other questions, let me know. We've been more than happy to answer them. Bye.